Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, there's some absolutely urgent and important news that could dramatically impact your financial future, especially if you're receiving Social Security or planning to apply for it soon. Imagine waking up and discovering that your monthly Social Security benefit has suddenly tripled, or that a surprise lump sum payment worth up to $6,600 has landed in your account. It might sound unbelievable, but thanks to a brand new rule recently announced by the Social Security Administration, SSA, this could become a real possibility for millions of Americans. If you or someone you love receives Social Security benefits or expects to in the near future, this information is absolutely essential. Over the decades, Social Security has served as a critical safety net for retirees, disabled workers, and survivors of deceased spouses. It's intended to provide steady income during retirement or in times when working is no longer possible. But despite its importance, the Social Security system hasn't always operated perfectly. For years, many beneficiaries have been underpaid due to miscalculations in their reported earnings, especially those with irregular employment histories, such as part-time work, contract jobs, gig work, or gaps in employment due to caregiving responsibilities or health issues. These types of employment situations often led to inaccurate or incomplete earnings being recorded, which then directly impacted the calculation of their benefits. Recognizing this, the SSA recently conducted a comprehensive audit and discovered that a significant number of people have been receiving lower payments than they were actually entitled to. As a result, the SSA has introduced a new rule that allows eligible individuals to request a recalculation of their benefits. If it's determined that your benefits were calculated incorrectly, this new measure allows for two major corrections: an increase in your monthly payments going forward and a lump sum payment to make up for the shortfalls in previous payments. Depending on your specific work and earnings history, this lump sum payment could amount to as much as $6,600 or more. This isn't just limited to retirees. Disabled workers, surviving spouses, and even family members receiving benefits on behalf of a deceased person may qualify, especially if the deceased had an earnings history that was inaccurately recorded. One of the key groups affected includes people with so-called non-traditional work histories. That means if you spent time freelancing, working part-time, managing contract-based employment, or took extended breaks from the workforce, perhaps to raise children or care for ailing loved ones, this rule may be especially relevant to you. Many people aren't even aware that their Social Security records might be incorrect, which makes it even more critical to take action now. The first step is to check your Social Security earnings record. Fortunately, the SSA has made this process easier than ever with a new online portal where you can view and verify your earnings history. You'll need your Social Security number and some basic personal details to access the system. Once inside, the platform will tell you if you fall under the criteria for recalculation. It's fast, secure, and completely free. If you're found to be eligible, you can submit your recalculation request directly through the SSA website. But don't delay, there is a strict deadline for filing. All requests must be submitted by September 30, 2025. Missing this deadline means potentially losing thousands of dollars in both retroactive and future payments. This is a rare opportunity. The government doesn't often provide a way to correct decades-old mistakes and offer retroactive compensation. So, if you qualify, act promptly. After submitting your request, the SSA will begin a full review of your earnings record to determine your true benefit amount. This process usually takes between 30 and 60 days, but could take longer depending on application volume. While waiting may be frustrating, accuracy is key here. You want to ensure the correction is fully in your favor. Once the review is complete, you'll receive an official notice from the SSA. This document will outline your new monthly benefit and, more excitingly, detail the lump sum payment you're owed for past underpayments. To put it in perspective, the average Social Security retirement benefit currently sits around $1,800 per month. If your recalculation triples that figure, as is possible in certain scenarios, your new benefit could soar to over $5,400 per month, a staggering difference. For someone living on a fixed income, that kind of increase can be life-changing, especially considering the rising costs of housing, healthcare, food, and daily necessities. And then there's the lump sum payout. Imagine receiving a check for $6,600 or even more, money you didn't expect but had earned all along. This new rule isn't just about increasing financial support in the present, it also corrects long-standing oversights and injustices within the system. It acknowledges that many Americans have been shortchanged through no fault of their own and aims to finally make things right. What's more, this situation highlights the importance of regularly checking your Social Security statement and earnings record. Even a small mistake or omission in your reported earnings can translate into significant losses over time. That's why staying informed and proactive is so important. Apart from this recalculation opportunity, there are other strategic moves you can make to optimize your Social Security benefits overall. For instance, many people don't realize that delaying the start of their Social Security benefits can significantly increase the amount they receive each month. While you can start drawing benefits at age 62, waiting until your full retirement age, or better yet, age 70, can lead to a much higher monthly payout that lasts for life. Also, if you're married, learning how spousal and survivor benefits work can further increase your household income. Coordinating when each spouse files can sometimes double what you're entitled to receive. Another important tip is to carefully review your earnings record every year. The SSA sends out an annual statement that includes all your reported earnings and estimated benefits. Make a habit of checking this report closely for errors, and if you spot anything off, correct it immediately. Waiting too long could limit your ability to fix these issues down the road. Additionally, be sure to accurately report any income you earn while already receiving benefits, especially if you're still working. Failing to report this correctly could result in benefit reductions or unexpected adjustments later. With this new recalculation rule, many people have been asking whether the lump sum payment or increased benefits will be taxed. The answer? It depends. Social Security benefits are taxable if your total combined income exceeds certain thresholds. That includes your adjusted gross income, non-taxable interest, and half of your Social Security benefits. So it's a good idea to consult a tax professional to understand how your specific tax situation may be affected. Another question people are asking is, what happens if you miss the September 30, 2025 deadline? Unfortunately, the SSA has been clear. The deadline is final. If you don't submit your request in time, you may permanently lose the opportunity to receive retroactive payments. While you can still access other Social Security benefits and updates in the future, this recalculation window is a one-time offer, and missing it could be costly. This is why it's crucial to act now. Even if you think your earnings record is correct, take the time to verify it. This is one of those rare government programs where the potential reward far outweighs the time and effort it takes to check your status. Thousands of people stand to gain significantly. Whether you're a retiree on a fixed income, a disabled worker trying to make ends meet, or a surviving spouse relying on monthly support, this recalculation rule could make a massive difference in your financial stability and quality of life. Beyond just the financial aspects, this also restores a sense of fairness and trust in the Social Security system. For many Americans, these benefits aren't just checks, they're lifelines. When those lifelines have been cut short due to miscalculations, it's only right that the system now seeks to repair the damage. If this news impacts you, your family, or someone you know, share it widely. The more people who know about it, the more people can get the help they deserve. And remember, the SSA's new online tools make it incredibly simple to check your records, confirm eligibility, and submit a claim. The bottom line is this: If you have any history of part-time work, freelancing, family caregiving, contract jobs, or other forms of employment that might have caused reporting inconsistencies, you owe it to yourself to review your records now. This recalculation rule is about more than just numbers. It's about fairness, accuracy, and securing your financial future. Make sure you don't miss out on what's rightfully yours. Check your Social Security statement, use the SSA's new online portal, and if you qualify, file your recalculation request before the September 30 deadline. It could be one of the most financially impactful decisions you ever make. Lastly, if you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with others, especially older family members or those unfamiliar with the SSA's digital tools. The world of Social Security can be complex and hard to navigate, but opportunities like this remind us that staying informed and proactive can lead to real financial improvement. Thank you for reading, and I sincerely hope this new Social Security rule brings the support and correction many people have long deserved.